Good morning, class 2. In my previous two videos, I told you about chapter 1 of computer. Now, I'll wind up my chapter 1 with the next topic, that is the difference between man and computer. Let's start with that. Difference between man and computer. The point 1, a man can make mistakes, but a computer does not make any mistake. Whenever we are working on a computer never does mistakes. A man can take its own decisions. A computer cannot take its own decisions. Children, whatever the instructions we are giving to the computer, that is only done by the computer. Computer never take its own decisions, but a man can take. Children, if we want to play, we can play. If we want to sing, we can sing. We want to read, we can read. We want to see, we can see. But a computer can do only the things which we are assigning to it. Third, a man does not need any order to work. Means whatever we want to do, we can do by our own. We don't require any order. But a computer works on man's order. Suppose children, you want to add 3 digits in a computer. You have to give digits and you have to assign plus sign also, because computer will add after giving your instructions only. That is the order of working. So a computer works on man's order. A man has feelings. Children, we are having the feelings. We can feel bad, we can feel good, we can feel cry, we can feel happy and many more things. Feelings we are having, but a computer does not have any feeling. Computer never cry, computer never smile, computer never happy. Computer works only. A man needs more time to work. Children, a man always need more time to work. But a computer works very fast. It takes less time than men. A man may forget the information. A computer has a good memory. A man needs more time to work. A computer works very fast. Children, whatever the work we want to do by our own, it takes more time than a computer. A computer always solves the problems in seconds. So it works very fast. A man needs more time to work. 6. A man may forget the information. A computer has a good memory. Children, sometimes we forget the things. Sometimes we remember the things. But a computer has a good memory and it can save all the things for long time. Whenever you need it, you can take it from the computer. You can back up the files also. So children, let's see again. A man can make mistakes. A computer does not make mistake. A man can take its own decisions. A computer cannot take its own decisions. Third, a man does not need any order to work, but a computer works on a man's order. A man has feelings, but a computer does not have any feeling. Fifth, a man needs more time to work, but a computer works very fast. 6. A man may forget the information, but a computer has a good memory and we can take the things after many hours, after many days, after many years, whenever we want it, but it should be saved in computer's memory. You take out your pencil or notebook, you note down this activity. This is your homework you have to complete. First, fill in the blanks. A man can take his own dash. Second, the data that we enter into the computer is known as. Third, a computer works very dash. Fourth, working on the data is called dash. Fifth, a computer is a good source of. Once again I am repeating. First, a man can take his own dash. Second, the data that we enter into the computer is known as. Third, a computer works very dash. Fourth, working on the data is called dash. Fifth, a computer is a good source of. Children, these fill in the blanks are based on all my 3 videos of chapter 1. Hope you all will find out the answers from my videos or you try by yourself. You take your parents' help and please note down these fill in the blanks in your copies and please fill the answers. Next question. Write any one difference between a computer and a man. Just before this homework, I explained about man and computer difference. You write any one difference, whatever is easy for you to learn to write, it's your choice. You can learn any difference or you can write any difference in your notebook. Children, after this lockdown, your chapter 1 all activities will be checked. Hope you understood the full chapter. Now I'll wind up my chapter 1 and have a good day.